Hi everybody, it's Elle from Weet here, and today we're going to learn how to record a Weet. So you'll see I'm on my homepage here. First, I click Create Weet. There we go, it pulls up my screen to create a Weet. I can begin recording by pressing on my timer button, or I can adjust a few things before I get going. Let's go over these different adjustments that we can make. All right, so I'm back on my screen. First things first, you're gonna see this handy little filter button. So when I press this, it changes the filter. So we've got kind of different sepia tones, black and white here, but also check out our fun holiday filters when there's a holiday happening. This little button will turn off my camera or turn it back on. I don't wanna hit it now because that would compromise our Weet. This would turn the microphone on and off. And lastly, this is a little settings menu. I can choose which camera I'm recording from, and I can also edit my the timing and the different notifications that can happen to tell me that my time is up, which I dive into deeper in another Weet.